do a hydrodam inspection of this of the dam wall here, and then we're going to drive over to the trash racks on that side of the building. So we're going to, drive close up to it, do a few transects, and get right up close to it to get those high quality shots that we need. And then afterwards, we'll go to the dam wall. We'll get right up close to find some cracks in the concrete or any type of spalling on the concrete and any other objects of interest. Okay, so we're near the trash racks here. We're getting up close to the trash racks. We can see the grating. We should get up close about half a meter or so. You want to be careful of the suction into the trash racks, but the SPECTRA is holding well. Seeing the rough structure of the trash racks is the corner of the dam here. And I'm just gonna yaw my ROV to see the rest of it. And then I can roughly make out the trash rack here. If I take a measurement tool, click from this point to this point, see roughly a measurement of 6 meters on this line here in 3D. So I'm going to do a bird's eye view inspection of the hydrodam now with the sonar slam, starting on the corner with the trash racks, get into a lateral with the dam, start moving laterally. So I'm just strafing across the width of the dam wall here. You're making sure there's no deterioration on your asset, and if there is, you want to know where those damages are, where the cracks are, where the defects are, where the concrete spalling is. And you want to know that ahead of time so that if the dam needs to turn off, if the locks need to turn off, then we know exactly where to go once it is off, and we maximize the throughput of the dams and the locks.